providing feedback on dynamic content is challenging. Revisiting the feedback to adjust the content is also a challenge. Many teams solve this problem by using screenshots, spreadsheets, and emails to get this done, which, as I'm sure you know, is a very tedious process. Luckily, zipBoard allows reviewers to add feedback directly on the video and content creators to easily access the reviews with timestamps. Let's take a look. First off, we need to share the video with our reviewers. Let's take a look at our sharing options. Determine if you want your guest to have to log in, if you want them to be able to just view the boards, or if you want them to be able to add their own comments. Once you've selected your settings, copy the share link and send it to your reviewers so they can jump right into your video. Now that the video is shared, let's check out the review tools we have to work with. Use the comment icon to add a simple comment, or use the drawing, arrow, and rectangle tools to provide more context. Or use these annotation tools directly in your existing ERP to centralize all your files and protect your privacy. Once your reviewers have added their feedback, it's time to use those handy timestamps to review. Use the markers on the progress bar to jump to the different comments, or use the task list to see specific comments in context. Your projects probably involve various types of content. With zipBoard, you can review all different types of content: PDFs, images, URLs, and courses. These various content pieces all produce feedback. Luckily, zipBoard has a centralized feedback platform where you can manage all of the feedback in your project. Even better, use the comment tool in zipBoard to separate comments from the actionable feedback.